Whether you're new to the audiovisual industry or interested in AV design, this video is for you. We'll explore the roles of AV designers and systems integrators and provide valuable tips for beginners entering the world of AV design. In the AV world, two key roles are the AV designer and the systems integrator. Let's break them down. An AV designer takes a holistic view of multiple systems, for instance, audio, video, and lighting. They ensure these components work together seamlessly, focusing on both technical integration and artistic presentation. Their role involves considering how different systems interact, creating a cohesive look and feel, envisioning the overall user experience, collaborating with systems integrators to implement designs. On the other hand, a systems integrator has a distinct technical knowledge within their field. Their responsibilities include setting up and connecting individual components, ensuring each system functions optimally, implementing the AV designer's vision at a technical level, as well as troubleshooting and fine-tuning that system during installation. Creating the build documentation as a key deliverable at the end of the project. Both roles are crucial in creating effective AV setups, with the designer providing the overarching vision and the integrator bringing technical expertise to make it a reality. When designing AV systems, two key principles stand out: scalability and flexibility. Scalability means systems must adapt to different needs and environments. For example, a facility with multiple rooms and configurations might need setups that work for both small gatherings and large services. Flexibility is about creating modular systems. This allows components to be easily added, removed, or reconfigured as needs change. For instance, a hotel ballroom might need different setups for a business conference versus a wedding reception. The focus is on creating an engaging, cohesive experience. This means ensuring all components, audio, video, and lighting, work together seamlessly regardless of the event's scale or nature. An AV system typically includes three main components: lighting, video, and audio. For a seamless user experience, transitions between these components are crucial. This is where timecode can come into play, ensuring all elements are perfectly synchronized. The goal is to create a unified experience where no single component draws attention to itself unless intentionally designed to do so. In some scenarios, these systems may include custom elements like automation or the ability to broadcast and network out of the room they originate. The design process starts with understanding the client's vision and goals. This involves in-depth discussions about what they want to achieve. Is the priority the best sound quality possible, or is the visual impact more important? Once the vision is clear, designers consider how the content will be consumed. Is it for an in-person audience, or will it be broadcast? This affects decisions about camera placement, lighting design, and audio setup. In the AV design industry, professionals use a variety of software tools for visualization and documentation. Designers often work with multiple collaborators across different design and documentation platforms. For example, Vectorworks is a comprehensive software that offers robust tools for 2D drafting, 3D modeling, BIM, and rendering, catering to the needs of many types of designers across many disciplines. Vectorworks offers a hybrid 2D/3D environment that allows for precise planning and visualization. One of its key strengths is the ability to import and export IFC, Industry Foundation Classes, data, enabling seamless collaboration between architects and other design professionals. This ensures that AV systems integrate smoothly with the overall building design. For systems integrators, the ConnectCAD add-on in Vectorworks Spotlight is particularly valuable. It can generate essential paperwork and schematics, streamlining the documentation process. ConnectCAD also leverages certain IFC data, allowing for detailed system designs that account for the building's structural and spatial constraints. The design process is ongoing and collaborative. It involves frequent discussions between the designer, the client, and the systems integrators. This teamwork ensures the final product matches the client's vision, is technically possible, and stays within budget. To stay current, professionals attend trade shows, read industry publications, and network with peers. This helps them to adapt to new technologies and trends in AV design, which are constantly evolving. The AV industry is always changing, but the core remains the same: enhancing human communication through audio and visual means. Being a proponent of your craft is crucial. Find 2 or 3 other people in your same area expertise and start communicating. Discuss what's challenging, what's easy, and share your discoveries. This collaboration helps prevent reinventing the wheel and fosters growth in the industry. That's a quick overview of AV design and systems integration. Remember, AV design is about creating engaging experiences by integrating different systems seamlessly. Whether you're beginning your career in AV or seeking to expand your knowledge, understanding these fundamental concepts will help you navigate the complex and dynamic world of audiovisual design and integration. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like to learn more, please join us at university.vectorworks.net.